Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Natasha and I'm finally back. I am so sorry. I've been MIA. I think the last video that I filmed was a birthday vlog video. So my birthday was in June and I'm finally filming this video now in basically August, almost September. And some of these fragrances I have had a cheeky smell. I haven't used any of them because I'm literally like, I want to open them up. I want to do a first impression video for you guys on YouTube because y'all know I love me a fragrance. Just in case anyone asks me, the contact lenses that I'm wearing are TCD eyes. I will leave a kind of an affiliate link in the description box down below. This blazer is from Zara. I absolutely love it. It's my favorite. This body as well is from Zara, just in case anyone asks me. But let's get into this video now. Okay, so let's see what's inside of this goodie bag. I'm just gonna pick a fragrance at random. One of these fragrances were gifts to me from my friends and my family for my birthday. So thank you guys so much. I love you so much. So yeah, thank you. All right, so let's grab something first. Okay, this one. So this first fragrance is an Oud. This is from one of my good friends. And I'm loving the package. So it's an oil. I did already have a look. I haven't smelt it yet. Like, I haven't used it, guys. Like, it's full. Let's have a smell. Okay. Okay. Ooh, I don't want to spill this. Like, you have to be like super careful. Ooh. That is super nice. Okay, I'm getting oriental vibes. Very Oud, very strong. I'm gonna dab it a little bit behind my ear. Yeah, this is giving me woody scent, very autumn winter scent. I feel as though this will be my pop it in my handbag fragrance during the autumn winter month, which is coming now. I love the fact that it's really small so it can kind of plop into my handbag. At the same time, I don't like these fragrances because I did buy one of these in Dubai when I went last time and I lost it. I was so upset. I spent so much money on it and I lost it, but I guess someone got a new fragrance. But this is giving me very woody, very oriental, very like Arab money. Like, I'm an Arab, I got money, I'm rich, I'm classy, I'm bougie. Yeah, this is what this is giving me. Very woody. It also, I'm not sure if that's correct, but it's giving me a nutty scent as well. Like, a very nutty, woody kind of autumn scent. If you're someone who loves Oud or that oriental scent, then I definitely think this is for you. I have been banging on and on about wanting this fragrance. And before I even get into this fragrance, one gift that you can never go wrong with is a fragrance. I feel as though fragrances are one of those things, whether it's a cheap fragrance for like 30, 40, 50 pounds, that could be someone's everyday fragrance. That could just be the like, grab it up, spray it on me in the morning, I don't really care, but it smells amazing, very fresh scent. And then you have the really nice scents, which will be a more, you know, I'm going on a date night, I'm seeing my boyfriend, I'm seeing my husband. So I really feel that fragrances, you can never go wrong with buying someone a fragrance, whether it's a very cheap, affordable fragrance that they'll just throw in their handbag, and every time you're out, that's just your handbag fragrance, you know, and you have it there all the time, or it's something expensive and nice like this Ysl Libre. Alright, so I got the Intense one because when I was in the store, the lady told me the Intense is better. So when I was telling everyone to get me this, I said, guys, make sure you get me the Intense one because the Intense one is what it's all about. So I've got this small, I think this is like the 30 ml. Yeah, this is the 30 ml bottle. Super cute, super classy, super sexy. I love the size. You could throw it in your handbag and you're good to go. I haven't smelled this yet. What? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh, I have a new favorite scent. Oh my goodness, hold on. What? This smells like an orgasm. It smells fantastic. Oh my god. This fragrance smells like candy. It smells sensual. It smells sexy. It smells grown. I feel like I can smell a bit of vanilla. Let's see if I'm correct. I haven't checked what notes are in this fragrance, but let me have a guess. Let me have a guess. It's giving me very woody. It's giving me very sweet. So I feel as though there's a sweet tone in there, whether it's like a vanilla. Is it a patchouli? No. Oh, guys, this just smells as if you just want to kiss me and hug me and make love to me all night long. This fragrance here is this is a repurchase. Like I would definitely repurchase this once it runs out, but this is a sexy grown, I'm that girl, I'm that woman vibe. This is the winner. And the Intense, you can't go wrong. Okay, so this fragrance I did take out of the box because when I got this was the first fragrance I got on my birthday, and then all of a sudden all these other fragrances got piled onto me and I was like, oh my gosh, I have so many fragrances, I should do a fragrance haul video. So I did take this out of the box. I know that this smells super girly. Oh, I already had a smell of it. Oh my gosh, this is sweet, this is fun, this is playful, this is girly. This is giving me, I'm going for brunch, you know, this very summer. This is giving me spring summer fragrance. It's very girly, but very mature. I'm a grown, girly, flirtatious woman. And I mean, look at this. Look at this. I think this is the 30 ml. I actually don't know what this one is. It says I'm white. So I don't know if that's the name of this Elie Saab, but I love Elie Saab fragrances. If you're looking for something that's fun and girly, sexy and mature, I definitely recommend this one. I can't guess what notes are on here. It's not woody, it's not oud, it's very sweet. So I feel as though this will have a lot of fruit scents in it. When you look at the notes, there'll be a lot of fruits, maybe vanilla. I love vanilla in the fragrances. So yeah, this is a winner. Alright, so the next fragrance that I've got is Ariana Grande Cloud. So this fragrance has been hyped up everywhere because everyone is saying that this is a dupe for the, I'm going to put it up here, the fragrance I'm talking about, but this has been raved on about that this is a cheaper dupe. Like I said, this fragrance is about 30 quid, 35 quid. So again, cheap, everyday. You can take it out of this little cloud thing, pop it in your handbag. It's a nice everyday fragrance, and it smells just like that fragrance that's like, yeah, that fragrance that's like £300. This is giving me very girly vibes, very fun and flirty. When it comes to girly, I prefer the Elie Saab. It's giving me a little bit more mature. But I definitely think this Ariana Grande Cloud is a nice, you know, substitute if you're looking for a nice everyday fragrance. You know, you're just running out the house, you want something that's gonna last all day, something that's gonna make you just look super feminine. You know, every time you walk past people, their head's gonna turn like, who is she, what is she wearing? This is your fragrance. And I mean, look at how it comes packaged, guys. This is so cute, super girly. It gives me a little bit of a young vibe, but you know, we should all channel our inner child sometimes, you know, sometimes be childish. Alright, so I got this Miss Dior fragrance from one of my best friends, and I'm so happy because I don't own anything Dior. So it came in this bag actually, so that's why everything is in here. And when I opened it up, I was so happy. It is one of the fragrances, I mean, all of these fragrances are things that were on my list, and I just sent my list to everyone and I said, yo guys, just get me one of these. And look at this. If this is not giving you, I'm rich and I'm classy and I'm just that woman, I don't know what is. I love this. It's so simple yet so girly and so elegant. I haven't smelled this yet. Ooh. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to move up my wrist now. Ooh. Miss Dior, hello. Ooh, this is giving me rich, sophisticated. I'm walking through Harrods, I'm walking through Macy's. I got sunglasses on, you know. I'm going for an afternoon tea, darling. I'm meeting some friends, darling, you know. Very floral. This fragrance, I feel as though you can wear this all the time. It's definitely a day fragrance. I wouldn't wear this in the night time. It's definitely a fun, girly. I'm gonna smell like so many fragrances today. Fun, girly. Ooh. And I feel like the undernotes are just marvelous. Oh my gosh. This fragrance is giving me life right now. Okay, so the last fragrance that I got was something that I always wanted as well, and it came in this small little bag. And I mean, I've only ever had 2 Chanel items in my life, and this is the second, so I'm super excited. And I mean, when I got this fragrance, my sister got me this fragrance, and I was like, no way, because this fragrance is on the top of my list, just like my Dior fragrance. There are 2 fragrances that are right at the top, and then probably with my Ysl as well, they're right at the top. So when I got this fragrance, I was just like, honey, you know me, like, you know me, this is why you're my sister. And I haven't smelled it. Oh, okay, let's move up the wrist a little bit more. Okay. Oh, it's Chanel, baby. It is Chanel. You need this fragrance in your life. Ladies, you need this fragrance in your life. Hello, Mademoiselle. This is giving me grown, sophisticated, just like the Dior, whereas this one is a little bit more, you could wear the Chanel in the evening. I feel as though the Chanel you can wear in the evening, you wear in the day, and I mean, look how cute. Simple bottle, simple everything, elegant, it's graceful, it's, oh my gosh, hold on. Oh my gosh, I'm going out today. I want to smell like a walk-in fragrance store today. Yeah. This is giving me, I feel as though there's some fruity vibes in this one as well, some fruity notes. It's giving me sexy, it's giving me classy, it's giving me timeless, a timeless fragrance. And I mean, these fragrances are not going to be used often. I'm gonna tell you that now. These fragrances, I will have them for a while because I will use them sparingly. Alright, so these are all the fragrances that I got for my birthday, including the oud oil over there, but my hands cannot fit any more perfumes in them. Please tell me if I did not get hooked up. I have the most amazing friends, and I just love them so much because they just know me so well that, you know, just get me a fragrance. I feel like you can't go wrong with a fragrance. It's something that everyone needs. Fragrances, whether, like I said, it's a cheap one that's your everyday one, or a really expensive one that you can wear, you know, for evening times. You can't go wrong with a perfume. Honestly, you really can't. So I'm super happy to add this to my collection. I've got way more fragrances that I want to buy, and I've got so many more videos that I want to do for you guys to probably tell you guys what my favorite ones are after a few months. When I buy new fragrances, I definitely want to do unboxing with you guys. So if you guys are interested in fragrances, anything girly, anything feminine, anything about womanhood, then this is your channel. I want all my content to be about fun, girly things, you know, womanhood. So make sure you stay tuned. I've got so much content for you guys coming, and I'm so sorry that it's taking me so long to film this video, but I'm back, guys. I'm back and I'm better. So again, please don't forget to hit that subscription button down below. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, and also leave me a comment. Let me know if you have any of these fragrances, if you're going to purchase any of these fragrances, if you have any questions about these fragrances. Let me know in the comment section below. But until my next video, I will see you guys then. So until then, take care, my loves. Bye.